Hello, welcome to Home Web Link Repair Shop. Today I will show you how to access a motherboard on Toshiba laptop P755 and how to replace some important components on laptop. Before you start to do anything, unplug the power and also take out battery. Looking at the back of your computer, you can see some components, like for example this is the compartment where is the memory of the computer, and this is the compartment where is the hard disk. To access these two, it's very simple. Just unscrew the screw, take the cover off, and you will access a memory of the computer. Memory is actually held by two arms, and by moving these arms the memory will flip, and then you can take the memory module outside and replace. Putting the memory module back, you just insert memory under the certain angle, push it in very gently and push it down, and these two locks will lock the memory module. Put the cover back and screw back, and that's it. That's all you have to do. To replace hard disk, again, one screw which is holding the cover needs to be unscrewed. Take off the cover, and in this case you just simply slide the hard disk to my left and lift it, and then you have a hard disk. You can replace with the new one, or in case your computer is not responding, you can read a data. To access motherboard of the computer and other components like fan, mousepad, switch panel, keyboard, you have to unscrew all these screws at the back of the computer. Basically all of them, they are very easy to unscrew. And since they are, for this laptop, all of them are the same size, you don't have to worry about to mix different sizes. Once you finish all screws, you turn computer back and you are ready to pop up the keyboard. All you need is a sharp small knife, and you will start at the top of the keyboard and just simply lift it up. Okay. Very simple move, and now you can see the under the keyboard. The keyboard is connected to the motherboard through the ribbon cable, which is locked into a connector. You just very simply move the lock a little forward with the screwdriver. Gentle, very gentle procedure, and you are ready to pull the cable. And now you have a keyboard which if you need to, you can clean at this point. Just spread a little alcohol on and clean it, let it dry, and that's it. To be able to take the cover of the motherboard off, we have to unscrew two more screws which are under the keyboard. This is a screw number 1 and this is a screw number 2. Again, these are the same size as the other screws, so we can just mix them together. Alright, and then we have a few, two more flat ribbon cables which we have to disconnect. Same, but a little smaller than the keyboard cable. This is one of them. From switch panel, you just pull it out, simple as that. Okay, now it's disconnected, and same for mouse pad connector. Just grab and pull. Okay, disconnected. Now we are ready to lift the cover of the motherboard. Should be just a matter of lifting up, and motherboard is still connected to this cover. I think these are speakers, but you don't have to disconnect those if you don't need to. And now you are accessing the motherboard and all important components which might need some maintenance, and sometimes they have to be replaced because they don't work. One of them is cooling fan, if you can see, and the cooling element. This is very easy to take off by unscrewing just a couple screws here and a disconnecting cable which is here. Doing so, you will take the cooling fan off. Then you can also unscrew the cover from cooling fan and actually access the fan itself and clean it, and it will really improve the cooling capacity of your fan. And if you take the fan off, you can also clean the cooling element. It's usually full of dust. Just vacuuming and cleaning with a cotton tip or something. There is one thing which could be at this point also replaced in case you have a problem, and it's a power switch. It's this small part, that's actually switch, and this is the button which is pushing on the switch. It's very simple. The switch is glued with a plastic sticky glue to this cooling element. Just by simple lifting you can unglue it because it's not hard, it's soft. glue. So you can lift it, unglue it, and then there is a ribbon cable connection to the motherboard. You will disconnect this, get a new switch, power switch, and replace. So when you are finished with all your cleaning action and replacement, you just reverse a procedure and you will assemble your laptop. Just make sure that all these connectors, plastic connectors, you push, and after you hit the click, it's locked. Okay. Thank you for watching our video clip, and I hope it helped you to fix your computer to improve performance. And remember, Home Web Link can always help you to like your computer again.